Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. I'm here with my husband.
And Max.
And, oh yeah, and Maxie.
Always.
Always. Today we are doing a inventory swap with another reseller. Her closet name is TigerOak. I will link her down below so you guys can check her out. So the first part of this video, we're going to show you what we're putting in her box. And then there'll be a second half where we'll both look really different. Because I hope we're not in the same clothes. It is quarantine life though.
I mean, you're lucky I'm wearing pants right now, really.
Basically. I mean, we can't tell. But...
Well, that strategic camera placement.
So the second part of the video will be us unboxing whatever she sends to us. So the reason that I have my husband here is because I guess the word is too-mucher. Is that what we're using? A too-mucher?
Yeah, you are a too-mucher.
Yeah, so I have a habit of really wanting to make sure things are even so that I put too much in. So he's here to kind of make sure that everything is good to go, and also for weighing purposes and box preparation purposes, because we had to do a little bit of DIYing.
Yeah, we're gonna have to cut down the box a little bit to get it to weight, because it's a little bit close at the moment.
Yes.
And by close I mean over. But
we'll get there.
I'm confident that I can cut the necessary ounces out of the box to make it 5 pounds.
In a future video, you'll have to show them what you do with boxes and things like that, packaging. But today, why don't we show them what we're sending?
All right. So the first item is this shirt.
That is upside down. This is a blue and gray top. Now, I didn't prep everything for selling because I figure it's going to get wrinkled in the box anyway. But it is blue and gray. I think you can see that. Green button up top. It's really cute, lightweight, good for spring.
Yeah.
So, and I like blue and gray. I'm actually wearing it right now.
Blue and gray is the most comfortable clothing that you can possibly find if you're a woman. They don't have men's things because they're sexist.
Yeah. This is just a basic denim jacket with studs, which is 100% my style, which is why I picked it up in the first place. But yeah, so it's cute. The sizing is weird. It says, what does it say? It says LA, which I couldn't tell you what that means. But it fits me, so it fits like a woman's medium, because that's what I wear. So there's that. This is my favorite color in the world currently.
She has teal
and it
everything.
also has an S on it, which is my name. But it is a teal zip-up Vineyard Vines. And the funny part about this is TigerOak actually commented on this listing and said that she wished it had her letter or something like that. I can't remember, but she commented on this listing with it being in my closet. So I thought I might as well send it to her because otherwise I'm going to keep it. Anything teal.
It's our house.
Well, look at my couch.
Yeah.
So this is splendid. It is, it looks blue on the camera, but I promise you it's purple. In the camera viewfinder, I'm seeing blue, but I promise you it's purple. And it's a real purple. It's not a questionable purple, it's purple. So I don't really understand, but it's just a basic roll tab sleeve top, which is cute. Don't worry. We didn't just put normal things in here. We got some good stuff coming up. This is a Romeo and Juliet Couture new with tags. And it has like the extra beads if like, I don't know, I guess they fall off. Very fancy, very pretty. Very nice. Okay, so this is, so TigerOak actually sells everything from kids to women's to men's. And one of the things I am not good at selling is men's. So I thought maybe she would have better luck with these and I think they deserve a higher price than I can sell them for. But these are both Christian Dior ties. They're really cute, but I feel that my audience, Christian Dior, won't appreciate them the way hers will. So, hopefully. And the same logic applies to this, which I think is the best item in the box. I really like this, and if it fit my husband, we'd probably be keeping it.
It almost fits.
It's so close, but
I would have to lose like 40 pounds.
I mean, we could use it as like a, you know. But anyway, it is also Christian Dior. Can you see that? That says for Dillards. I'm showing you the for Dillards tag. For what reason? I do not know.
It's on the other side.
Is it?
Yeah. Christian Dior right there above the pocket.
Oh, there it is. See, my husband's here for something. Christian Dior. So it's really nice. It is, I believe, wool. Yep, it's wool. It's very nice blazer. There's nothing wrong with it. No flaws.
It's a nice, there's a fine pinstriping pattern on it. I mean, this is totally the style that I would wear if it would actually fit.
Yeah,
it's
so
close, but
if we could get him to lose some weight, maybe we'll buy it back off of her.
Thank you for that.
You're welcome.
That's hurtful.
So anyway, we will be back in a few days with the second half of this in new clothing, and we will show you what we got. This is really fun. I'm excited.
I'm cautiously optimistic. I'm hopeful that we made it fair, which I think we did, given that we gave her a couple designer pieces.
I'm hopeful, but you never know with these things. That is the risk. So it should be fun. We will see, and we will be back very soon. Hi guys, welcome back to part 2 of this video. Hopefully we're in different clothing. We have no idea. Quarantine life?
Quarantine life, and I would say that I'm shaggy because of quarantine, but I'm always this
you
scruffy.
always look like this.
Yeah.
So before we get into this, but I'm really excited about this, we should update on what we ended up doing with her box, because we had a box the same size as this sitting on the couch when we were showing them what we were going to pack, but packing became an issue.
We had a debate where we were going to get it down to the right size and the right weight with this size box. We adjusted and used a shoebox to fit 5 pounds worth of stuff, the same things, into a smaller box.
Yes.
Because that was the only way to get it close to the mark.
Yeah. Now, I don't know if we ended up having to swap anything out. I know we did at one point swap some stuff, but I don't know if it was from the time of the video or before that. So if that happened, you know, sorry about that. I don't remember. But yes, we ended up going down to a shoebox and packing it super tight. It was basically like ready to explode when she opens it. So that should be interesting.
We may have sent somebody a bomb worth of clothes.
Basically, yes. So she stuck with the box we agreed to, and she told me she got it to exactly 5 pounds, so good for her.
I mean, we got from 5 pounds, 5 ounces, down to 5 pounds by switching.
Close to 5 pounds. We were, it was questionable.
5.03, so just over.
All right, so you ready? See, now he's going to use the scissors because he doesn't let me. I feel like I'm in kindergarten, but...
Well, yeah, but... For those of you who don't know, she uses scissors
and knives
like no one you have ever met, and it's insane.
Yes. And Maxie is, of course, in the video. Every time the box comes, she thinks it's for her because we did bark box for a long time. So she's waiting to find out if it's for her. So, are you ready? Let's show them that it's packed nicely.
Better than ours, because ours is just thrown in a box.
Yeah. So...
no additional weight whatsoever.
Basically, yeah. So we gotta start with the card because she put a card in here. You gotta, as I knock it out. Ooh, perfume.
Hey, Posh Friend Forever, thanks for playing Swapbox. Hope you make money. Sending a little something for your hubs too. His is in the shoe.
His is in the shoe, got it.
That's what it says. So you get perfume.
Yeah, fancy. All right, you can't just go to the shoe. This isn't how this works.
I in fact can.
Okay, so this is Rosin Alley. It's a very pretty career top, as my husband is looking for a shoe.
Yeah.
So very pretty, roll tab sleeves. Very nice career top, and it's really lightweight, so it'll be nice for spring.
I like that. It's got a nice little metal accent as well.
Yeah. Shorts, which are selling amazingly right now. Shorts are doing great. They're AGs.
So AGs work for you because...
Yeah, we just did some relists with some AGs, and they sold it within 5 minutes on Mercari.
Yeah.
These are khakis. They're very nice, very cute. Very
Bra
nice.
hem too.
I'm getting nervous looking at this that she may have sent more items than we did, which, I mean, how? We tried so hard.
We did.
Lego Star Wars, my nephew would be all over this.
You would be
I don't know if it would fit him. It might. It's an extra large, but I don't know.
I mean...
But he would be all over that.
So this would fit me. So it's definitely too big for your
Okay, so maybe
nephew.
you need to wear it next time we see him. We did miss his birthday, so like this would be like...
This would make his day.
Yeah, so...
I am the cool uncle somehow.
So this might be something we have to at least use for an outing before we sell.
Oh yeah, 100%. Selfishly.
So this is Anne Klein. Very pretty. I like this
So it's
colors.
Scarf, head wrap?
I think it's a scarf. We don't sell a lot of accessories. I want to. I just have no idea what to pick up. So this will be fun to research because I don't know, but I want to know. You know what I'm saying?
So.
And teal is my color. So.
Yeah, it is.
I don't know this brand. It says for Target, so I'm sure that I can look up like the brands that have been sold at Target. So it's Altazara. It's very pretty. It's like a bohemian, very pretty.
London Times.
Ooh, is it a dress? Looks like a dress.
It is a dress.
Very pretty, very lightweight. All good for the season. Like really nice. Pretty on the bottom. Very nice. I'm not really showing tags, nor am I saying sizes, which I should be. But this is a size 4.
Old Navy scarf. It's super comfortable.
Oh yeah, this is like my vibe. I'm all about the comfy vibe. So very nice scarf.
I want to live in that scarf somehow.
Basically. Steve Madden, so I
Steve
love
Madden.
Steve Madden. I don't normally pick him up just because I just don't know the brand, but I wear Steve Madden a lot. So very cute, quilted.
Yeah.
What's in your shoe?
Some.
Oh, goodness gracious. But these are very cute. They are a size...
Straight bourbon whiskey.
Oh, goodness. Great. So I'm going to have a drunk hubba. A size 9B.
Oh, relax. It's tiny. It's.
But he's going to drink that tonight.
Oh yeah. Straight bourbon whiskey. Age 8 years. Excellent. Out of Rosendale, New York. So it's local to her. So Widow Jane.
Should be interesting.
I'm excited.
Okay, so anyway, that's everything that's in the box. I didn't really give sizes on things just because I wanted to do this quickly since I knew that we already have a part 1 of this video. But if you are interested in anything that you saw here, most of the things will be posted, minus maybe the Lego shirt just for my nephew.
Hell no, we're wearing that.
So my Posh Closet is spending under 30. My Instagram is the same as here in my 30s, spending under 30. I'll try to link them both down below. My Posh friend that I did the swap with is TigerOak on Posh. I will also link her closet. She sells everything from like Walmart to kids to women's to men's to Gucci to...
Yeah, Walmart to
Gucci, really.
To Gucci
I mean,
and
she sells
Louis
everything.
Vuitton and...
Anything you're looking for, she definitely has it. I have still not figured out the whole kids in a little bit of the men's category, so if you're looking for those things, she's your girl. But yeah, so I'll link those down below, and if you guys want to do an inventory swap with me, I am always open to that because I love mysteries. I'm having fun with it. I'm enjoying it. Yeah. So let me know. But yeah, thank you guys so much for watching, and we will be back really soon with a new video.